I think what really makes the Rice business community special is the way that students step up and lead. Across clubs and across co-curricular activities, we have a really entrepreneurial spirit here where students are always founding clubs and where clubs are super involved. I personally am really involved in Rice Consulting, where we actually do real consulting projects across the Houston community, whether with nonprofits or for-profits, and then also work a lot with recruiters at companies to help our students get jobs. And that real experience of getting to do both trying the work that I want to do outside of college and getting access to the professional development skills that have helped me be successful is a really special part of that club experience at the Rice business community. So at Rice Consulting, we have a dual set of missions. One is to give students practical experience working in consulting and at the same time give our clients real impact through the value that we deliver. And the other side of that mission is to prepare students to be successful in recruiting for internships and beyond. And so every semester, students in Rice Consulting get staffed on real consulting projects, whether across a local business, a nonprofit, or a large for-profit. An example of that is working with a large oil and gas company, thinking about as they focus on climate change and the energy transition. Obviously, a really big deal here in Houston is the energy capital. How do they think about working not just as an individual corporation, but across the oil and gas industry to partner with other companies and think about how they as an industry can move together towards a cleaner future? And so we do a lot of that sort of industry benchmarking work, competitive analysis, and partnership development to help them create a framework that they are using now to think about how they work with other companies to move towards a greener future.